We at TrueAssistive Technology had an incredible experience at the Purple Fest 2025 in Panjim, Goa. Come, let us see some highlights of the event. Our stall at the Purple Fest was a resounding success. We connected with hundreds of visitors who came to explore the latest innovation in assistive technology. We bought our demo car with TurnPlus Electric installed in it. Visitors tried it firsthand to realize how technology helps people live with independence and dignity. Thanks to Enable India, we are proud to announce that TrueAssist Tech has officially taken the pledge to be an active contributor to the purple economy. In collaboration with Goa Miles and thanks to the support of the Office of State Commissioner and the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disability, we installed TurnPlus seats in some of Goa Mile taxis. We are honored that the Purple Fest team recognized us for this initiative with an award.
I'm a person with cerebral palsy and I have come to Goa for a Purple Fest, and I'm very happy with the car because I don't have to put a force and get into the car because it is a turnable seat, and thanks to the Goa Miles and for the Purple Fest. Thank you.
What an unforgettable experience! Our heartfelt thanks to the Purple Fest organizing team, the Government of Goa, Goa Miles, NCPDP, Enable India, and all the participants and the entire TrueAssist Tech team for making this event a truly special one. The International Purple Fest 2025 was a remarkable success. We can't wait to be part of it again next year.